Howdy folks, welcome back to Platypod TV, where innovation never sleeps. Today we're looking at 5 epic ways to use the Platypod Ergo ball head that'll make you rethink how small gear can do some seriously big things. Whether you're into low-angle landscapes, macro madness, or just need a rock-solid top-down rig for video, this little guy's got you covered. Let's get into it. First up, low-angle landscapes. Pair the Ergo with a Platypod Extreme and you've got an ultra-low profile setup that'll go places your tripod simply can't. Smooth tension control, 90-degree tilt, full 360-degree pan, all without fumbling or losing your composition. Next, macro photography. Mount the Ergo on the Platypod handle for precise tabletop work. Think flowers, product shots, or texture studies. The ergonomic tension knob gives you fine control even with one hand, perfect when your subject's smaller than a paperclip. Also, I find that regular ball heads often suffer from sag, whereby there's a bit of movement even after you've tightened it. The Ergo will keep your camera rock solid every time. Setup number 3, overhead rig. This is for all the content creators out there filming flat lays or top-down reviews, for example. The Ergo locks your angle in solid. And when paired with 2 handles, you've got a DIY copy stand that's both stable and portable. Okay, here's setup number 4, time-lapse and long exposure photography. This is where the Ergo really flexes. Pair it with the Platypod Extreme and you've got a bomb-proof base for steady long exposures on rough terrain. Lock it down, fine-tune your angle without worrying your camera's gonna take a tumble. And lastly, lighting. Mount your LED panels, mics, or even monitors using the Ergo ball head. It's not just for cameras, it's a rigging essential. So there you have it, 5 epic setups using the Platypod Ergo ball head. It's compact, it's strong, and crazy versatile. If you've got a creative use for the Ergo we haven't mentioned, drop it in the comments. We'd love to see how you're using yours. If you want to learn more about macro photography, check out my podcast, the Camera Shake Podcast, where I spoke exclusively to Stuart Wood about his incredible images. And if you haven't tuned into the Camera Shake Podcast yet, then what are you doing? Find it on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and wherever awesome podcasts live. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. And as always, take a snapshot of your setup or share your final shots on Instagram. If you've been experimenting with Platypod gear or try out the setups we've discussed today, I want to see your images. Make sure you tag Platypod on Instagram and use the hashtag #PostMyPlatypod. And if you like this video, we have a button specifically for you right here. Join the community over on Facebook to see what other Platypod users are up to and ring the bell so you don't miss our regular videos. That, my friends, is all for today. Keep creating and I'll see you next time.